Hey everybody, this video, silence my damn phone here. Hey everybody, this video got a American 1100, mess with my phone here that we're going to try to get into. Seems like it works alright, and we have a key code 85772. And let's see if we can get into this guy here. Try. Try using a Z-bar here and a Goso. Love it, man, to get a text that says, "Is this?" and has my name on it, and then no follow-ups. Yeah, I think a great way to start a text like that is introducing yourself and then asking if it's whoever. But what the hell do I know? The answer to that would be close to nothing. Alright, try to really ramp up the tension here. That sounded like progress. Alright, now I got both fucking phones going off. Yeah, I remember back in the mid-90s when I was in high school, how novel and cool cell phones were. Now they're a source of annoyance. And get off my lawn, crazy kids. Okay, oh wow, look at that, we got her open. That's Z-bar and the Goso. Sounds like a lot of serrated pins in there. Let's see if we can gut it. That's awesome, man. It's always nice to be surprised when something opens, I guess. Alright, so for key pins, we're going to probably just have standard American pin fair, which is anything longer than a 2-pin is going to be serrated. And then upstairs, oops, screwed up my 1 and 2, they're both spools, so I didn't screw up that bad. Three serrated, 4 spool, and 5 is serrated. Somewhere in there, there it is. So 3 spools, 2 serrated, but I guess the spools were over the, well, all the key pins are long except for the 2, so if that didn't have the spool over it, it's not surprising there wasn't a false set. But anyway, let's see if we can zoom in on that here. So you see the 3 spools and the 2 serrateds. And that will do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later.